Welcome to CIC Cambridge. We are here in the heart of Kendall Square, where we have two CIC locations. We're across the street from each other. We have 11 floors of workspace, so plenty of square footage, shared resources, private offices, collaborative space. Let's take a look. So as you enter, you are going to find our main entrance, our main lobby, which consists of our concierge desk. So these are your welcoming CIC staff who are both welcoming new employees as you bring them in, as well as your guests. Over here, we've got a community team office. So every building has a helpful community operations team. These are the folks that are going to be helping you move into the space.
Let's go take a look at some workspaces upstairs. All right, so I'm gonna tap my CIC key card here. This key will get you access to every CIC location with 24/7 access. Okay, so we're starting off here in one of our small offices. So in addition to co-working membership, which you could consider, this would be another great option for a small team. This is one of our smaller spaces. It gets wonderful natural light. The furniture is included.
Okay, we've got a great medium-sized office here. This would be a perfect fit for a team that's growing or a team that may be looking for a slightly smaller option or to do some downsizing. The thing that our clients appreciate most about our offerings are the flexible terms. So the majority of our clients are here on month-to-month terms, which makes growing or scaling back at CIC very easy.
All right, so we are up in the Palladium suite. I want to show you one of our larger available office suites. So we have spaces that can accommodate all sorts of team sizes as you grow at CIC or if you enter as a larger company. So this particular office suite is large enough that it has its own private conference room, as well as a main space that can fit over 20 desks and an ensuite private office. These spaces are fully inclusive of furniture, so we provide all the furniture you need to have a setup here at CIC. And we will customize the office when you join. My favorite thing about this particular building is that we're dog friendly. Get it? So there is a fully stocked kitchen on every floor of CIC, stocked with snacks, beverages, coffee and tea, fresh fruit, both for you and as well as your guests that are in the space. So we'll take a walk through here. Nice big open cafe area. This floor also has a little outdoor patio, great for those warmer days. And just off the kitchen, we're gonna find one of our large event spaces at CIC. So these are staffed and supported by our central events team. They're gonna be the ones that would help you book this space for your larger, more established events. So these would be great for a summit, conference. They would help you coordinate your event, get things like catering sorted out, so your event runs as smoothly as possible. So here we've got the Houndstooth conference room. This is one of the smaller rooms. It's actually one of my favorite rooms. I have a team meeting in here every week. So great room right off the kitchen. This one has a video conferencing system. My team is usually spread across a few locations. Every floor of CIC has spaces designed to spark ideas, be a nice place for you to bring a colleague for an informal chat, a little coffee or tea. To wrap up our tour, I brought you to our beautiful outdoor terrace here at 1 Broadway. So I want to thank you for taking the time to check out CIC with me, and I hope to see you here in person soon.